Yan po yung ano, Sapang Balin. Diyan sila tatawid dyan, oh. Dulas ng kalsada. Hindi tayo makaano dyan. Yan yung Sapang Balin. Diyan sila tatawid. Ayun, oh. Pinuputol na nila yung mga ano. Nabulabog yung security guard. Tinawag tayo. Pabirang buhay talaga to. Alright, alright, alright. Ngayon dito po tayo sa may ano no, Kapaanong MacArthur Highway. At same as usual, magmarites tayo. Titignan natin doon sa may bahagi ng CPNO3, yun sa may Sapang Balin, no? Yung napuntahan natin dati na malawakang demolish ng mga bahay doon. So, tingnan. So, sa may ano to no? Barangay Baliti. Tingnan natin. Yan, ilang metro na lang tayo at tayo ay hakana na. Tingnan natin kung ano ng mga development o ano. Barangay Panipuan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Kasama to sa Sapang Balin. Yan, tingnan mo gaano kalalim yan. Gaano kalalim yung ano dito. Grabe, ang lalim nito. Tapos dun sa may ano, hindi siguro to aapaw no, yung ano na to no. So dito, dun sa may ano pa ito no. Kasi dun sa unahan, mayroon yang ano, yun no. So dito makikita na natin yung gantry nila. Yun no. Dito, yung sa may Sapang Balin. Tignan natin. Yung sa unahan, nakita natin yung gantry nila dito. Matagal na rin tayo hindi nakabalik dito. Subukan natin kung pwede ba tayong mga diretso pa tayo doon sa dulo. May mga bulaklak dito. Yan o. Dati wala pa yung poste na yan eh. Ngayon mayroon na. May puno yan dati. Pinutol na. Ayan o. So dyan sila tatawid. Work area. Yan, sarado. So dyan sila tatawid o. Yan o. Nakabakod, tatawid sila dyan. So, pinutol na yung puno dito. At dito mayroon silang ongoing na gawa ng poste. At ito yung ginagawa nilang ano, bayad dito. Yun, at andun na yung kanilang gantry. Yan yung kanilang gantry. Ilang span din? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nalito na ako, naligaw na ako. Ilang span na yun. Hindi yata tayo hindi pumapasok dyan. Hanggang dyan. Dito yun, dito sa may parte, ito yung ng ano, Sapang Balin. Mas kilala kasi ito Sapang Balin dito, yung lugar na to eh. Yan, sa direksyon papuntang Angeles na yan. Tingnan natin. So, may nakabakot dyan. Nakabakot dyan. Dito yung gate niya.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines.
You know, so hindi pa talaga na, hindi pa nila na ano yun dito.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top.
Yung bago may butas. Tapos yung binutas doon sa may ano,
I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm
wala
never
na.
gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will give.
Natakpan na yung, dati may mga malalim butas dito eh. So pag diretsuhin mo ito, diretso na ito ng ano, San Fernando Station. Yun. Saka doon sa kanilang casting yard. Alright. So ito yung pinaka-latest dito sa ano na.
Back up, cause I don't deserve a thing, and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, ever.